Checking out the garden. Look at these chili plants. It's about, I think it's August, the 2nd of August. These things are looking massive. I'm growing them in the wood chips. Well, not in the wood chips, but they're definitely mulched up by a couple inches of wood chips. These here are, well, over here they call them chihuahuas. They're green with a black stripe. They grow looking upward. Then they mature into these nice, beautiful pods you see here. Look at that. Gorgeous. Got some habaneros over here. I don't know if I'm gonna have success with them this year. Hopefully I do. Another chihuahua. Got one of my dad's almond trees right there. Here's another kind, another type of almond. Nasty, dying tomato plant. And I got these other kind. These are like, you go buy one type and then you plant it and it turns out to be something else totally different, but I actually like these. They're black, nice flavor. They're medium hot. Same with this one right here. These were supposed to be cayennes, but they're not. They're something else. See that? The little one right there. Another chihuahua. All chihuahuas right here. Put them away green. I also dry a lot of them. Look at that. The shade. And these right here, these massive ones right here on this side. These are called chihuahuas. Actually, not chihuahua, chillones. Look at that. Let's get out of the way here. These things just grew massive this year. Massive, massive. Look at that. It's another chillon right there. Medium sizer. Massive, massive. And then these are something. I think they're called Jubilee. Like a. Those are excellent for some eggs in the morning. As you can see the pods on these things. This one here is identical to these, but this one is the only one that grows red. It actually matures into a red pod, which is not too bad. Might keep some of these for seed because I like the plant profile. I like the sturdiness. It doesn't grow like these. This one seems to be real nice and sturdy and has a lot of chilies, tons of pods. Well, I'm about to start picking some chilies, maybe. I might just let them go for the day. Not stress on them. Put my finger in the way again. Small little habanero. These are all Fresno chilies. I'm definitely going to buy double the amount next year, God willing. And I'll plant tons of them in here. They're good for drying, good for cooking. Those are jalapenos over here. Jalapenos. Now this one here, forgot what name they gave it, a fancy name from Lowe's. And it turns out to be a straight up Chihuahua. They have a fancy name, but it was the ones that I've been growing for years. Here's some habaneros over here. These have had bugs on them like crazy. I see some pods forming on one or two. That's a potato plant. Look at that. Potato. That's just an experiment. I want you guys to see this. Check this out. See this? Massive plant. See right here? All this right here. These big, huge leaves. This is just one plant. Look at that. Look at that. All the way. That's just one plant right there. Look at that. One plant. Crazy. I'm not doing too good with tomatoes this year. I just didn't put my heart and soul into it. And these are cucumbers. One of them died over here. Look at that. I mean, wood chips is good, but if you don't water, if you mess up, boy, your plants pay a price. Look at that. One plant. This thing grows tons of flowers, but my wife, she's like, I don't know what to do with them. I don't eat those. Look at that. One plant. It produces some. Lemon tree's doing all right. Need to trim it. Need to go in and get the suckers out and do all that. Got wood chips and all that underneath the orange tree. This old ass orange tree. I'm surprised it's still doing good. Oh, look at that. There's a cucumber right there. Oh, there's a couple actually. Go pick these. Look at that. This tree's over 60 years old. Here's an overview of the garden. It's August 2nd. Not too bad. I rate my gardens every year, and I gotta say, so far, this one's looking, in terms at least my chilies, maybe not so much my tomatoes and cucumbers and my squashes and stuff, but in terms of just chilies, for this being August 2nd, this is proven to be a monster garden. Even though it's kind of weird to not plant them in rows and use the dirt to be able to facilitate better watering and all that kind of stuff. And then those rows, they kind of hold your chili plant. It holds them because it solidifies on top, and then the only thing that softens up is the water, the row right underneath, but then the top forms a nice little crust, and that just holds your plant. Well, planting them straight on a flat surface is a little different. I had my doubts, but it turns out to be pretty good. Yeah, a lot more work, a little bit more watering, but not too bad. Over here I experimented. I put a melon coming over the concrete over here. We've already eaten off of it, harvested a few. Look at this rotten tomato plant. Disgusting. Gotta pull it out. Another habanero. Yep, the garden is doing okay. Yep. Over there I got a couple habaneros. They're not doing too good. Well, this is the overview. Just wanted to share my garden. Thank you.